greetings to one and all. Today is an important as well as an auspicious day as far as any KVN is concerned. Yes, December 15th, the foundation day of KVS, and this is the 57th foundation day of this great Sangathan under the MHRD. Like all the celebrations of this year, that is 2020, we, the members of KV number 2 Kasargod, are here in the virtual platform to celebrate the KVS Foundation Day. Let us begin seeking the blessings of the Almighty. Here is Harinanda of class 8 to lead us with the prayer. I now request Mr. Shaju MM, PGT Commerce, to welcome the gathering.
Hello everyone, Namaskar. Hope you all are in good health during this difficult time of COVID pandemic. Today, 15th December 2020, is the 57th foundation day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. KVS has influenced and shaped the lives of so many people in India. The children and their parents, the employees, teaching and non-teaching staff, and the administrators. For the students, it is their alma mater. And for us, the employees, it is the one that gives us our daily bread. What other reason do we require to celebrate the foundation day of this great pace-setting organization? Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Kasargod, a small unit of KVS family, would like to celebrate this occasion by showcasing the creative talents of its members. Let me welcome you all. Respected Principal Sri K.P. Thangappan, all the staff members and their families, the students and their parents, and the community at large to watch and enjoy this program. Let me also thank all those who have contributed towards the program, especially the students and their parents. Watch and enjoy the program. Be happy. Take care of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let us now all hear the message of our beloved principal, Sri K.P. Thangappan, on this auspicious occasion.
Very good morning to all. KVC is one among the giants in the field of education. 15th December is celebrated as KVS Foundation Day. With the startup of 20 regimental schools, KVS was started in the year 1963 and is celebrating its 57th year with more than 1,200 schools, which cater the educational needs of lakhs of students. As you know, KVS comes under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, having 25 regions and 3 KVs abroad. What is the specialty of a KVS? If you make a journey from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, when you trespass many states, you can come across KVs in all the states of India. As far as KVs are concerned, every KV is a miniature India. And you can find students from almost all the states of India. And what makes the KVS different from other schools? You know that KVS is one among the topmost trusted organizations of India. And as far as the quality is concerned, the students who pass out from KVS are the best. They can tackle any situation. They can handle any situation. And they shoulder the responsibility of safeguarding society and wishes of society. You can expect KVNs in every office all over India and even abroad. And we have got a very talented children who are being nurtured the way they should be, and they are being inculcated with the values of life, and they are being molded as the perfect citizens of India. And we should be thankful to the Government of India in organizing wonderful programs for the children so that they can be nurtured in every field. And for the all-round development of the children, many programs have been launched by KVs under the instructions of KVS. If you go through the website of KVS, you can see an array of programs which are being launched and which are owned, which helps in molding the children so that the inner talents what they have can be developed along with the development of academics. What really mean by a KVN or KV? KV means fun, KV means learning, and KV means beautiful memories. As such, KV is an emotion. Recently, I got a chance to be a part of the alumni of Kendriya Vidyalaya Maligaon, my first school. It is in Guwahati region. It's a project school under NF Railway. Children from batches, say around 96 till date, so many were there in the alumni program, where the children shared their view by saying that we are lucky that we got a chance to study in KV. So you should be proud that you are a member of this big tree, the biggest of this kind. And be proud to be a KVN. And I wish you the very best on this Foundation Day. Thank you.
I am sure all of you are motivated and also have more knowledge of KVS after Sir's speech. Let us see what our little friends have in store for us. KV has always given platform for the overall development of students. So, our children are excellent both in curricular and co-curricular activities. Some of our friends are ready to entertain us. So, let us sit back and enjoy the program.
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय हम सबके पोषक है पोषण हम गुरु शिष्य करें साथ नमन हम सबके पोषक है पोषण हम गुरु शिष्य करें साथ नमन दोनों में बल हो निश्चल हो मन का हर कोना उज्ज्वल हो दोनों में बल हो निश्चल हो मन का हर कोना उज्ज्वल हो परमात्मा प्रीति प्राण भरे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय मानवता निर्माण करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय
पता इसका तेरे प्रेम का एक तारा मन में पल पल बाजेगा।
मुझे कब थी खबर इसकी, मेरे मन के सिंहासन पर तू सदा कोयों विराजेगा। कोई भी कठिनाई हो या कोई हो मजबूरी, तेरी मेरी।
Good morning. As we all know that Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was founded on 15th December 1963 and this day is known as KVS Foundation Day. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is a system of premier central government schools in India. The Kendriya Vidyalayas, which are run by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, are under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The school embodies some of the very good features of public school with emphasis on Indian culture and its good values without raising the cost of education. The academic year in Kendriya Vidyalayas starts from 1st April and it's till 31st March. Kendriya Vidyalayas is one of the world's largest chains of schools. The motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is Tattvam Pushan Apavrunu, which is taken from Vyasopanishad. By 2017 and 18, there were about 12,54,922 students studying in Kendriya Vidyalayas, and by October 2020, there were about 1,243 Kendriya Vidyalayas across India and 3 Kendriya Vidyalayas abroad. Nidhi Pandey is the Commissioner of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and the headquarters of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is situated in New Delhi. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan does not only provide its students with a very good opportunities in academics, but also it provides a very good opportunity for its students in co-curricular activities and sports that leads for the better personality development in students. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Rizin Khadija of 5A here with a mono act in connection with KVS Foundation Day. Today, boys and girls, we're going to take a few minutes and draw on the pieces of papers in front of you of something or someone you're thankful for. Taking the time for gratitude is very important for our peace of mind and happiness. Afterwards, we're gonna share your drawings to the rest of the class. So, let's begin. Wonderful, class. Now, who would like to share their drawings first? Me! I'm thankful for trees because they give me oxygen. I drew my parents because without them I wouldn't even be here. And they also helped me with my homework and I love them. Chocolates! I'm thankful for chocolates! Awesome, children. You all have done a wonderful job. Simon, why don't you share your drawing next? A hand? Simon, how would you like to play a game with your classmates of guessing whose hand you drew? Would you like that? Alright class, can anybody guess whose hand Simon drew? I think it's a hand of a policeman because they protect us and keeps us safe. I think it's Simon's hand because he's grateful to have a hand. I think it's hand of a God because he gave us everything. It's your hand, miss. Oh my dear child. Let us be grateful, not for the material things given the small ways we can give to others. Thank you.
The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is a system of primary central government schools in India are started with the objectives of to cater to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees including defense and paramilitary personnel by providing a common program of education and to pursue excellence and set pace in the field of school education.
We are celebrating 57th Foundation Day on Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. In this day, we are presenting a fact file of KVS. Mission and Vision. The Kendriya Vidyalayas have a four-fold mission list to cater to the educational needs of children of transferable central government including defense and paramilitary personnel by providing a common program of education. To pursue excellence and set the pace in the field of school education, to initiate and promote experimentation and innovation in education in collaboration with other bodies like Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, and National Council of Education Research and Training, NCERT, etc. To develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among children.
Vision. KVS believes in imparting knowledge or values and nurturing talent, enthusiasm and creativity of its students for seeking excellence through high-quality educational endeavors.
Kendriya Vidyalayas was founded as a system in 1963, but at the time it was called Central School. All Kendriya Vidyalayas operate under the aegis of the Ministry of HRD, Government of India.
It is one of the largest chain of schools in India with 3 branches abroad. As of October 2020, it has total of 1,243 schools in India. The 3 KVS schools abroad are in Kathmandu, Tehran and Moscow.
All KVS are divided into 25 regions, each headed by a deputy commissioner. KVS is affiliated to CBSE board since its inception.
The motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya is Tattvam Pusana Apavarnu Lid. Oh son, please uncover that, in other words, where the face of truth is covered by the golden lid. Oh son, please uncover so that truth and dharma are visible.
नमस्कार। हम सब लोग हर साल 15 दिसंबर को केवीएस स्थापना दिवस मानते हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय भारत में प्राथमिक और माध्यमिक शिक्षा का प्रबंध है, जो मुख्यतः भारत की केंद्र सरकार के कर्मचारियों के बच्चों के लिए बनाया गया है। इसकी शुरुआत 1963 में हुई तथा यह तब से भारत के राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा बोर्ड से अनुबंधित है। इस समय भारत में केंद्रीय विद्यालयों की संख्या 1225 है। इसके अतिरिक्त विदेश में 3 केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं, जिनमें भारतीय दूतावासों के कर्मचारियों तथा अन्य प्रवासी भारतीयों के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं। विद्यालयों में भारत के राष्ट्रीय शैक्षिक अनुसंधान और प्रशिक्षण परिषद के पाठ्यक्रम का अनुसरण होता है। सभी केंद्रीय विद्यालयों का संचालन केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन नाम की संस्था करती है। केंद्रीय विद्यालय का मिशन। केंद्रीय विद्यालयों के प्रमुख 4 मिशन इस प्रकार है। केंद्रीय सरकार के स्थानांतरणीय कर्मचारियों, जिनमें रक्षा तथा अर्धसैनिक बलों के कर्मी भी शामिल हैं, के बच्चों को शिक्षा के सामान्य कार्यक्रम के तहत शिक्षा प्रदान कर उनकी शैक्षिक आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करना। विद्यालयी शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में श्रेष्ठता और गति निर्धारित करना। केंद्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा बोर्ड CBSE, राष्ट्रीय शैक्षिक अनुसंधान एवं प्रशिक्षण परिषद NCERT इत्यादि जैसे अन्य निकायों के सहयोग से शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नए नए प्रयोग तथा नवाचार को सम्मिलित करना। बच्चों में राष्ट्रीय एकता और भारतीयता की भावना का विकास करना। केंद्रीय विद्यालयों की छात्रों के चहुर्मुखी विकास करने के लिए सराहना की जाती है। शिक्षा के स्तर को भी अच्छा माना जाता है। इन विद्यालयों में विभिन्न आर्थिक स्थितियों और देश के विभिन्न भागों के लोगों के बच्चों एक साथ पढ़ते हैं, जिससे कि छात्रों के व्यक्तित्व का संतुलित विकास होता है। धन्यवाद।
Guys, good morning to all. I'm Shika with my classmates of class 6A from the school KV number 2 Kasarkot. Today we are going to present a skit. The name of the skit is The Black Plate. This is we are doing behalf of KBS Foundation Day. Once upon a time in India, there were 2 merchants who sold plates, pots, pans, brooms, mops, soaps, jewelry, clothes, etc. Each day they took turn to sell. Hey, everyone see! Our jewelers are on sale! Pots and pans, whatever you need!
Grandma, look, I want that beautiful bracelet. How much is it? More than what you can pay, old lady. At home, we have an old black metal plate. Do you want it for the bracelet? Let me see it first. Let's go home so you can see it. Fine, you lead the way, old lady.
When they arrived to the old lady's house, she showed the plate to the merchant.
Take a look at the plate.
Let me see. When the merchant saw the plate, it was truly black. But when he scratched it a little, he could see that it was a silver plate.
This is worthless, old lady. If you want, I can take this and give you a broom. Thank you, but we prefer to keep our plate. It was your decision. You wasted my time.
the merchant was thinking about going back the next day to try to convince her to give him the plate next day. Merchant too was selling in the street.
Plates, pans, brooms, clothes. I have everything you need. Just come and get it.
Grandma, look, I still want that beautiful bracelet.
How much is it?
More than what you can pay, old lady.
At home, we have an old black metal plate. Do you want it for the bracelet?
I'll have to see it first.
Let's go home so you can see it.
Okay, I will follow you. When they arrived to the old lady's house, she showed the plate to the merchant.
Take a look at the plate.
It is silver plate. It's all black because it is dirty. The things I have to sell is not enough to pay you.
Oh, we didn't know. But we don't have anything in the house. We don't have any furniture. We are so poor. Can you give us the bracelet or something else?
I will give you everything I have.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
When the merchant left the home, he went to see his friend. Take a look at this plate. I got from an old woman. I gave her everything I have for this plate. What do you think?
What? I saw that plate yesterday. I have lost an opportunity to have that plate without giving her returns.
Then he stopped to think for a while.
I have thought about it. If we join your honesty and the beautiful things that I still have, we can make a great business. So, will you work with me from today onwards?
Sure. Both women cleaned the silver plate until it was sparkling, and both became very successful merchants.
धन प्रीत की
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वता शरीरिणी नमोस्तु जगतां वन्दे ब्रह्मविद्या प्रकाशिनी नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनी गंगाध्या सरिता सर्वस्तन्यं देवी स्वपावनी नमो 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 तकृतदीं तदीं 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 तक तकृतदीं तदीं 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 हिमालया से कन्यायां तपोवनों से नदियां तक गंगा यमुना सुंदर नदियां पहले माता हिंदुस्तान एक ही भारत एक ही जनता वंदे भारत मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम गपदनिदा सानिदा पग गपदनिदा सानिदा निसा विश्व महाकवि रवींद्रनाथ जन्म हुआ है हिंदुस्तान पूज्य महागुरु व्यास महोदय गुरु जी भारत देश की देश हमारा पुण्य भरा त्याग सेवा निरतेरा वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सासनी दनी नी दा मगा गा ग म ग म म सम ग म धनि सा आ निज सौख्यदपि मुख्यं धेरे भारत जन सौख्यं निज मोक्षादपि मुख्यं धेरे भारत जननी मोक्षं निरस्तनिरसौभाग्यं धीरं लोकहि प्रेणिरतं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम् नमस्करोति जनता जन्म भारतनी समतेरे वंदे वंदे वंदे